Once again, welcome to all of you. Children, today I am going to explain activity based on acute angle. Let's start. So, children, here we have examples of acute angle, and as you all know, what is an acute angle? The angle whose measure is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degrees is known as acute angle. So, children, here you can see this is a part of the watermelon, and you can see here it is making acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. When you will compare it with L means 90 degree. Okay, so if you will compare it with L, what you will find that it is less than 90 degree, so it is your acute angle. Okay, so here again, if you will see this road, you will find here an angle, and this is your acute angle. Here again, children, if you will see this angle, this is an acute angle. Here this clock, please look here, and this in this clock your hour hand is at 2 and minute hand is at 12, and again it is making acute angle. Acute angle means greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Here you can see the beak of this bird, and again this uh, is your acute angle. So children, what is an acute angle? Acute angle means greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Now I am going to do activity based on acute angle. Okay, let's start. Hello children, once again welcome to all of you. So children, here I am going to explain the activity, and this activity is based on angles. So children, what you all have to do, you have to take a square paper in this way, and you have to fold it in half, and after that you have to fold it again in half in this way, and then you have to open it in this way, and then you have to fold it in this way. Now you will get, when you will open it, you will get crease in this way, and you have to draw the lines on the crease. Okay, now children, here I am going to find lines making angle less than a right angle, and you all know right angle is in L shape, so we have to find the angles which are less than right angle, means the angles which are acute angle. And what is acute angle? Acute angle means the angle whose measure will be greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So children, here you can see this is this these lines, this line and this line you can see, and here it is an acute angle. Here again this line and this line both are making an acute angle less than 90 degree. Here again this line and this line making acute angle, and here again this one and this one making acute angle. So children, you can see here this line is making a straight angle, means 180 degree. If you will measure these angles, this will be 45 degree, this one will be 45 degree, this one will be 45 degree, and this one will be also 45 degree. And when you will add all these angles, you will get 180 degree. 45 degree plus 45 degree plus 45 degree plus 45 degree equals 180 degree. It means two right angles make one straight angle. Okay, one straight angle. And very important thing, two right angles make one straight angle, means 90 degree plus 90 degree equals 180 degree.